Let's break some skincare myth that you might have heard somewhere, and yeah, let's check them out and see if they are true or not. Because over the year there's we all collected these beautiful of old wives' tales about beauty secrets. From toothpaste on pimples to mouthwash on feet, to not sleeping on your side. I don't know, a lot of things. Some stories just make us smile as we imagine, people doing that. And some stuff people even adopted as true. And as the beauty industry makes kind of a return nicely to a more natural, non-toxic approach, we're finding that these old tales are being replaced with a lot of misconceptions. And these misconceptions are not being passed down through generations, but rather are heard as things in social media or whatever, and a lot of them are just not true. And if you really want to walk the natural, beautiful way, you should check out this myth and what is a myth and what is a truth. So myth number 1: coconut oil is a good moisturizer for your face. No. While it has a superb moisturizing properties, I do not recommend coconut oil as a cream on the face. I do recommend it as a part of a formula of a cream because it's add moisturizing, and it's also a very good makeup remover. But do not use coconut oil only as a face cream and leave it on your face, because it will close close your pores and make them larger, and it's just block the pores if it's stay on the face. So it's good when it's formulated in a face cream, and use it as a makeup remover, but remove it, okay? So myth number 1, coconut oil is good moisturizer. It is not. The healthy alternative is, again, moisturize your face with a cream that is blended with coconut oil inside, but coconut oil is not the main ingredient in the cream. Myth number 2, if you can pronounce an ingredient on a label, it must be bad. Not necessarily. The FDA and other worldwide bodies demand that ingredients must be listed in a label in INCI, International Nomenclature of Cosmetics Ingredient. And sometimes these INCI names sounds very weird, but think about that. This name that is hard to pronounce, Budi Rospermum perki, is actually shea butter, and shea butter is magical, beautiful ingredients. So I don't expect to know what are they, but it's good to learn and identify the red flags, like what you see on the list, like parabens and perfume and bad stuff. And you can recognize them with prefixes like ethyl or methyl or butyl or propyl. So again, not all long names are bad, but you want to know the bad stuff, paraben, fragrance, stuff like that, and how they called. And I just told you it's with propyl, butyl, methyl, ethyl, stuff like that. Myth number 3: using oils on your skin will make it more oil, and you shouldn't use oils. That's not true, because your skin naturally produces oils to normalize the surface of your skin. It's important stuff. Yet you can easily strip away the good oils of your skin. But for example, if you use harsh chemicals or too many times exfoliating, it can deplete the skin of its natural oil and causing it to overproduce oils to compensate. That's when your skin gets too greasy. But adding good oils to your skin, how much and which one depends on your skin type, will ensure that your skin maintain a healthy balance. So if you don't put any oil on your skin needs this oil and it starts create excessive oil. And if you put the wrong oils on your skin, also it won't fit you. So even oily skin needs oil as well, and there are wonderful oils for oily skin, such as jojoba, for example. All skin types need oil, different one, yes. And to get the confusion out of your mind, I'm here to help and suggest you which product is specific for your skin and which oils are good for you. But please stay away from all these oil-free products, even if you think your skin is over oily, because you will make it irritated. Myth number 4. All ingredients named as acids are irritated. Well, no, because for example, hyaluronic acid is one of the mildest, not stripping ingredient available in a formula. It's an acid that our body produces itself, but it does decreases over time. That's also the reason for dehydrated skin. And so it is an acid, but it's a good one, okay? So if we don't, when we don't have enough water and hydration, we have dehydrated skin. And for this, actually, I have very simple solutions for that. There's 2 magic formula products that I can suggest with the highest quality of hyaluronic acid, the one that has the smallest molecules that penetrate the skin the best. One is the lifting serum, which is a beautiful one for the morning. And the other one is the hydration boost face cream. They are both loaded with the best, highest quality of hyaluronic acid. So not all acids are bad. Myth number 5. The right skincare product will cure all of my skin mess. Well, it will be amazing if it was just one cure for everything, but it's not so much like that. Healthy skin is a result of a combination of factors like nutrition, like diet, like exercise, like environment, and of course product choice that are natural and good for your skin, and a professional facial routine. This is a very important key in maintaining a healthy skin. Ensure that the lifestyle choices that you and the product that you choose complement one another, because when all the systems are in balance, your skin and your health will be in balance too. So the healthy alternative, not to believe in only one magic thing that you saw on TikTok or whatever, choosing natural products, getting a natural professional facial every 6 weeks, try to avoid sugars, getting daily exercise, everything that makes your nerve system balance, and getting enough sleep and water, all together will create the magic. Myth number 6. All preservatives are bad. No. Preservatives are an essential part of the skincare formula. When you have an immersion with water, and you don't add some kind of preservative, they become molds. But there are preservatives that are natural ones. These are the ones I use in pure products. And on top of that, I use very strong antioxidants like vitamin E and plant-based preservative. So, a wise man once said, the more you know, the better you do. So with this information, go forth and make decisions that are based on the whole story and not just what you have heard or seen on social media. I am here very, very happy to help you step into a very simple, healthy, and effective beauty routine that will take away the overwhelming and the confusion, save your time, save your money, and make you and your skin happy.